Dear students, in this class we are going to learn about the plotting of some coordinate points. Here you see a page of graph. On the graph page you see one horizontal line and one vertical line. The junction is called origin. These two lines are called the axis. This is called x-axis and the negative side is marked as x dash, and this is y. The negative side, that means the lower part, is marked as y dash. The whole plane is called as Cartesian plane. Look at the writing, Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, this part you see in the figure, that is the part bounded by OX and OY, is called first quadrant, QUADRANT. Proceeding along anticlockwise direction, the second part, the second 1/4 of the page approximately, is termed as second quadrant. The lower part, the lower left part, is called third quadrant, and the part here you see is called fourth quadrant. First of all, we are going to learn the plotting of the points. Here, consider a point, that is maybe a point. Here you see, consider a point 2 3. Before that, 1 2 3 4 5 6, you see -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6, that is the left side. Exactly is just similar to the number line. Here in upper direction, 1 2 3 4. Similarly below, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, and so on. First of all, consider a point, that is 4 2. The 4 2 is a point we have to locate on the Cartesian plane like this way. Starting from the origin 4 2, first go 4 units along x-axis and then 2 units along y-axis. So this point is termed as a 4 2. 4 and 2 is called the coordinate of the point, where the first number x represents the x and second number 2 is representing the y. Similarly, consider another point, mainly in second quadrant, that is -4 2. So go along this line, -4 and then 2. This point is -4 2 point, maybe B. Similarly, -5 -5. This point is -5 -5 in the third quadrant. And similarly, maybe 4 4. 4 -4 is the point on the fourth quadrant. You see here that the points on the first quadrant have both the axis and both the coordinates positive positive. In the second quadrant, both the axis. Here you see the point 4 2. Here the coordinates are x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative, and in fourth quadrant, x is positive while y is negative. In this way, we can plot different points on the Cartesian coordinate plane, and in your next class you will see how different points can be plotted, which are the solutions of linear equation in two variables. If a point is on any one of the axes, then the points are said to be invariant point. Here the point you see is 5 0. So this point is called invariant point. Many such points are possible. Origin also is also an invariant point. In your next class,